funky. My darling, I love you, 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 I love you.
Mustard is really good. It's garlic, aioli garlic mustard sauce. I'm to Lotte, and I want to make like the salmon rice thing on TikTok that everybody has tried. And I got the mayonnaise. It's like Japanese mayonnaise. It was $7. It's very squishy. Yesterday I got this prutak sauce. Just came back from IKEA. And this is what my kitchen looks like. It's very messy. Got some goods. I needed a trash can, so very simple. It is the next day. It's Sunday now, and I moved in on Wednesday. So it's been a couple days since I moved in, and I've bought like a lot of things. I think I showed yesterday, but I was having like difficulty trying to film because my camera kept dying and I had no battery, so it was like it was a struggle. So I organized this drawer. I will show you guys. It's wooden like organizer, and I think this is perfect for just myself because I can fit everything in it. Like I got these glass straws from IKEA and like just my utensils, and then I got these from Trader Joe's. And I found out that my apartment has like a rooftop. I mean, I already went to the rooftop, but there's another section where I can see like everything, so I think that'll be really nice to go at night, and maybe I'll check it out later. Okay, so let me just get to organizing. Need to organize my fridge. Kind of got a lot of things. I mean, I organized this a little bit, and then my pantry is looking like this. I set up this coffee table thing here, and my dog. I have to figure out how to mount here because I got like a swivel mount, so like whether I'm on the bed or like this section, I can move the TV around. My sisters came over for a little and then they just left. But I'm just gonna relax and maybe go to the gym and do other things. I just got to my gym. I'm gonna work out for a little. I don't really have storage, so maybe I'll get a couple. Hello. Oh. I'm gonna show you guys what I got from Target. Get this diffuser. It's kind of big, so I need to figure out where to put it, but it looks like this. And it's supposed to be like the Santal scent, and it smells exactly like it, but it was way cheaper. Let's try it out. Oh, whoa, that looks so cool. I'll add 1 drop. Mattress protector. We're gonna do this Lego flower bouquet. These are one of the first flowers.
Oh, hey Gerald.
Thank you so much for calling.